Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install your smart email signature on different email applications. Let's dive into the tutorial. I'll show you how to install the smart email signature in Thunderbird, which I personally use for prospecting. First, download the .zip file you received by email. Inside, you'll find an HTML file. Unzip the folder, then open the file to preview your smart email signature. To get the source code of this email signature, I right-click on the page. I select View Page Source from the context menu. Let's select All. On Windows, press Ctrl+A. If you're using a Mac, press Command+A. After selecting, let's copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. If you're using a Mac, press Command+C. Now go to Thunderbird Settings. Click on Account Settings. In the Signature Text section, make sure Use HTML is checked. Paste the copied email signature. And voila! Your smart email signature is now ready to use. From now on, every new email you compose will automatically include your smart email signature. You can create multiple different signatures to adapt your message to different prospects and contexts. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I wish you lots of success in your professional journey. Thanks for watching.